Array with var keyword. You can use var keyword with the array instead of this explicit data type to declare a variable. C# compiler automatically infers the type, or you can say assume the data type, by looking at the value on the right side of the assignment operator. By looking at this part. One thing to note here, when you use var keyword, then new keyword must be used on the right side with the initialization statement. Otherwise, this statement will generate an error. Let me show you. This is the error. So new keyword must be used on the right side with the initialization statement.